In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reverse a video in CapCut. If you want to create a rewind effect, make a clip play backward for a creative transition, or simply experiment with a different visual style. CapCut makes the process very straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to reverse a video clip inside a CapCut project using the web browser version. And I'll guide you through what to look for at each stage so it's easy to follow. To begin, open CapCut in your web browser. Once you're on the platform, open a project that already contains the video clip you want to edit. After selecting the project, give it a moment to fully load. This is important because if the editor is still loading, some controls may not respond right away or may not appear as expected. When the project is ready, go down to the timeline and click directly on the video clip you want to reverse. After you click it, make sure the clip is actually selected. This usually means you'll see a visible highlight or outline around the clip, letting you know CapCut is ready to apply changes specifically to that piece of media. Taking a second to confirm the selection helps avoid editing the wrong clip by mistake. Next, look for the toolbar above the timeline. This is where CapCut places many of the most common editing controls. In that toolbar, find the reverse button. Once you've located it, click reverse to apply the effect. At this point, CapCut will begin processing the video. Depending on the length of the clip and your browser performance, this may take a few moments. While the reverse effect is being applied, watch the progress so you can tell when the process is complete. It's best to wait until CapCut finishes fully before trying to preview the clip. Once processing is done, click the play button to preview the result. As the clip plays, carefully review the playback and make sure everything looks the way you expect. You should see the action moving backward, with the video now playing from the end to the beginning instead of from the beginning to the end. Finally, confirm that the reverse effect has been successfully applied. If the motion is clearly running backward in your preview, then you've completed the process correctly. And that's how to reverse a video in CapCut quickly and easily using your browser.